Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you joining us today. We've got an exciting show lined up for you, filled with the latest news and discoveries from the world of astronomy. To start us off, let's talk about something that's been making headlines recently: asteroids. Specifically, we're looking at a type of asteroid known as Alindas, which are characterized by their unique orbital patterns. One such asteroid, called 2024 has been gaining attention due to its close proximity to Earth. In fact, it's set to make a very close pass in 2032. But here's the fascinating part. Due to a phenomenon known as orbital resonance, asteroids like 2024 IR4 will keep coming back into our planet's vicinity. This means that even though 2024 IR4 won't be hitting us in 2032, it's not the last we've seen of it. In fact, its orbit is expected to cross Earth's orbit again, giving it another chance to potentially impact our planet. Now, you might be wondering what makes these Alinda asteroids so special. Well, it turns out that their orbits are influenced by the gravitational pull of Jupiter, which causes them to become elongated and pumped up. This pumping effect can make their orbits more unstable, increasing the likelihood of a potential impact with Earth. The good news is that astronomers are working hard to track these asteroids and predict their orbits. The upcoming Near-Earth Object Surveyor mission, set to launch in 2027, will play a crucial role in detecting and characterizing these potentially hazardous asteroids. By studying their heat signatures and tracking their movements, scientists hope to identify more of these Alinda asteroids and better understand the risks they pose. So, what does this mean for us? Well, it's a reminder that space is full of mysteries and potential dangers, but it's also an opportunity for us to learn and explore. By studying asteroids like 2024 IR4, we can gain a deeper understanding of the universe and its many secrets. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're diving into the fascinating world of space exploration, where innovations and challenges go hand in hand. Today, we've got an intriguing story about a German space rocket that took an unexpected turn during its test flight. Imagine being part of a historic moment, watching as a brand new orbital rocket named Spectrum lifts off from a Norwegian spaceport, marking the first launch of its kind from European soil. The excitement was palpable as Isar Aerospace, the company behind this ambitious project, held its breath, awaiting the outcome of their hard work. However, just seconds into the flight, the rocket crashed and exploded into a fireball, tumbling back into the icy Norwegian Sea. It's a dramatic turn of events that might seem like a setback at first glance. But here's where it gets interesting. Despite the crash, Isar Aerospace is hailing this test flight as a success. The company's CEO, Daniel Metzler, emphasized that the primary goal of this maiden voyage was to gather as much data as possible, and in that sense, they've achieved a great deal. The Spectrum rocket successfully cleared the launch pad and was terminated at 30 seconds, falling directly into the sea in a controlled manner. This isn't just about the technology. It's also about the potential for Europe to carve out its own space in the global market. With companies like Elon Musk's SpaceX and Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin leading the charge, European startups are looking to make their mark. Isar Aerospace, founded in 2018, is one such contender, aiming to provide flexible satellite launch services. As we explore the highs and lows of space exploration, it's clear that setbacks are an inevitable part of the journey. But what's truly remarkable is how these challenges can propel us forward, driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So, as we look up at the stars, wondering what other surprises await us in the vast expanse of space, remember that every launch, whether successful or not, brings us closer to understanding our universe and our place within it. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, we find ourselves pondering the mysteries of the early universe. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating discovery that's challenging our understanding of how the universe evolved. Imagine being able to gaze back in time, to an era when the universe was still in its infancy. The James Webb Space Telescope has given us a glimpse of this ancient landscape, revealing a galaxy that's defying our current understanding of the early universe. This totally unexpected galaxy is emitting bright ultraviolet light, which is like a beacon shining through the fog of time. As scientists study this galactic lighthouse, they're realizing that the era of reionization may have occurred much earlier than previously thought. But what does this mean? The era of reionization was a period when the universe was still filled with neutral hydrogen gas, and the first stars and galaxies were beginning to shine. It's like the universe was waking up from a cosmic slumber, and the light from these early stars and galaxies was slowly illuminating the surrounding gas. The discovery of this ancient galaxy is like finding a missing piece of a puzzle. It's helping us understand how the universe transitioned from a dark, neutral state to the vibrant, ionized universe we see today. The James Webb Space Telescope is giving us a unique perspective on this process, allowing us to study the universe in unprecedented detail. As we explore the cosmos, we're constantly reminded of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the universe. From the majestic swirl of galaxy clusters to the intricate dance of celestial mechanics, every discovery invites us to ponder our place within the grand tapestry of existence. So, as we gaze up at the stars, let's remember that the universe is full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. The James Webb Space Telescope is a powerful tool in our quest for knowledge, and its discoveries are inspiring us to ask new questions and seek new answers. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.